y'all, Sweet Currency Mamapreneur here. Welcome to my channel where I teach you how to become a part-time vending business owner. Before we get started, can you do me a huge favor and go down and click that like button? Yeah, that one right there, that one. Can you click that one for me? And subscribe to my channel. It helps me grow and it helps me reach a wider audience so I can get this message out to other people, because I absolutely love what I do and I love sharing it with people so that they can do it too. Okay, let's get started. Today's topic is, what are the essential tools that you need to be a successful part-time vending business owner? And actually, I've narrowed it down to one. I have one essential tool for you that I think is super important, and it's going to help you in all aspects of your business. It will help you with maintaining your machine, like the maintenance portion of it, keeping track of your inventory, maintaining, your supply and your restock schedule, and it will also help you with your bookkeeping. So my one essential tool, and something I could never run this business without, would be my management software. So we have credit card readers on every single one of our 8 machines, and I always recommend credit card readers because they account for 80% of my business. So I would not do without those. And there is software that comes along with our credit card readers. So the company that we use also provides a app that you can use on your phone, and it also provides a management system that you can use on your computer or whatever you use to manage your business. And I highly recommend this. This keeps us organized. It prints out reports so we know what products are selling, what products are not. It also will send out alerts to your phone. So through the app, I can see if a machine is down. I can see if a machine is malfunctioning. I can see if somebody purchased something and it didn't vend properly. It tells me all of that. And it also helps me when I need to prepare for a vending run. So if I'm getting ready to go restock, it will tell me, you need to bring with you, 22 Snickers bars and 10 cans of Coke. And I wouldn't know that if I didn't have something that was actually keeping track of all my transactions. So that's why I absolutely think the one essential tool that you're going to need is some type of vending management system or software. And lastly, but not least, I always say Uncle Sam is watching, and I don't want to be in hot water with Uncle Sam. So I actually have a bookkeeper. So we have outsourced that portion of our business. As we grew, we decided that was not something that we needed to work on, and that we needed to leave that up to the professionals. So I do have a bookkeeper, and we share that information with our bookkeeper. So our bookkeeper can also keep track of our sales, our revenues, our losses and profits and things like that, and so that we are filing our taxes properly. So the one essential tool that you need, absolutely 100%, is going to be a management software system. All right. And if you have credit card readers, it comes with it. So you can purchase some that do not go along with credit card readers, and you're gonna have to do your research, but I would not run this business without it. It would be so much of a guessing game if I did, and I would probably lose a lot of money if I wasn't being able to keep track of everything. So do me a favor and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and also check me out at my webpage, sweetcurrencyuniversity.com. You'll see all kinds of free information over there, things to download, things to keep, things to help you get started. And yeah, so do me a favor and be happy, because it drives people crazy. See you next time.